What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm currently driving because my ass is late, but I wanted to tell you guys real quick that I have lost access to my Instagram. I'm locked out of it. Not sure why, but I'm kind of going nowhere with it. Instagram sucks at helping you get your account back. I have access to my email and stuff, and I'm not getting any emails. I'm not sure why, but that's the update on my Instagram, why I haven't been active on it. I'm thinking about it. I'm probably gonna just make a new account. If I do end up making a new account, I'll post it up right here, right now, at the corner of the screen. If I do make a new Instagram, please follow it. Keep supporting your boy, and we'll just, it's all good. Start off a brand new page. But today's not about me. Today is about the boy Alex. I haven't talked about it, but he's finally wrapping his card. So his card's gonna be one solid new color. So I'm excited for him. He got a whole body kit. It's gonna be a whole new look. Gonna be breaking necks. So can't wait to see it. I don't know what color it is. So I'm kind of excited to see what color he picked. I'm proud of the boy. He's been really anticipating this moment to finally have his car in one single color, and he's gonna be show car ready. So if I can't do it, at least he can. All right, we're squad up. Damn, already slipping.
Okay. I feel it because Andrew's thick ass thigh was on it.
He said thick ass thigh.
Anyways, squatted up. I'm about to go pick up Alex's car. Alex is driving, so pray for us. It's gonna suck at driving. It'll be a long journey. Big moment. Showed up to the spot. Not sure if the car's gonna be outside, so just gonna start recording right now. The Slump boys are up. Oh shit! He just posted on Jack Stance. Damn, I changed up the whole car. Look at that. I did get the fucking color right. Alright, hold on. I need to get a good shot of this. Damn. Looks hella dope. Can't wait to see it in the sun. It's gonna like have a sick ass reflection to it. But what do you think, Andrew?
It's clean, bro. It's hella nice.
I'm gonna put it. You want me to put it in the sun?
Yeah.
Huh? I know. I said I would.
What do you think, Brandon?
That's crazy.
It's gonna pop in the sun, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Here it is. Boom. Midnight purple. This thing looks amazing in the sun. It's a whole new car. Damn. You guys are digging it? Go ahead and like the video. Bug. Can't wait to get some rollers of this. Shot of it. Oh yeah, and then the body kit, get that V2 rear bumper. That shit was sick as fuck. Then you did get new side skirts too. My old bumper still living, huh, Brandon? Went from green to yellow to now this. This color's crazy. There's different sections where it looks like it's black and that purple pops. pretty dope. But good luck, Alex, on keeping this car clean, because it's gonna get dusty pretty quick. Have fun. What do you think, Jenny? How do you feel about the color? You feel like riding around in that purple thing?
I want to drive it now.
Damn, good luck. If he didn't let you drive when it was yellow and clapped out, imagine now that he fixed it up. You finally got your Z. How do you feel?
I feel great, bro. It came out really nice.
Yeah. Honestly, I thought you would be too scared to pick purple, but dude, it came out clean.
Purple has always been one of my favorite colors. But it's like
Yeah.
something that I never thought of really doing, switching from yellow to purple.
Yeah.
But I love how the midnight purple, like the blackish and
Yeah.
the purple mixed together. So I thought that was like really dope.
I was just telling him right now, when we were up close over there, it looked super dark, but now that we're over here, and the sun's popping on it.
That's one
Yeah.
of like that's why I chose the midnight purple. 'Cause
Yeah.
instead of like the solid purple, I wanted it to be like contrast between like the colors in a way. So when I'm driving at night, my car's gonna look straight black until like the light spotlight hits it, and it's gonna be like purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
Oh, congrats, man. Freaking one solid color, finally. Went from SpongeBob to Thanos. About to conquer everyone right now.
You're a monster.
Yo, I might have caught the plague. I've been sick with it, feel like I'm walking dead on the beat. I might have lost a leg. I've been running the game so long I can't feel my feet. You must have bumped your head if you claiming you knowin' somebody that come and compete. I peeped out the competition all 7 days. My conclusion is everyone weak. Please don't beef with me, then try to speak with me. You ain't starve with me, you can't eat with me. You ain't come with me, you can't leave with me. You ain't dream with me, you don't get green with me. I switch position, kid, but in the matrix. 2 pills, which one is you taking? Keep it straight like teeth after the braces. Taking shots like I've been gang banging. Who want it now? Fuck the mainstream.
Behind the scenes of a TikTok filmer.
This one right here. So I'm taking this car on Tuesday.
Hey, Brandon. Brandon.
Let me see those.
Hold on. I need you guys' opinions. Should the caption of the video be new color reveal for Alex, or Clap Z goes to a brand new Z? Z transformation, or yeah, Clap Z gets a new look, yeah, new transformation. So I just realized I don't use cinematic as much, so I'm gonna go ahead and do more cinematic shots. Now that Alex is not around us, how do you guys feel about the color?
I like the color. I also like the color.
But you can be honest now. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Nah, just so how,
It's cool. I like it. I just feel like it needs a couple more things for it to really just be like, damn, or like a pop to it. 'Cause like right now it's just like everything else is like black, you know, because of like his past color. So I feel like once he starts adding like different like, you know, types of like other cosmetics, it's gonna make the car like the purple. Yeah, the purple even pop even more.
Yeah.
You know? I don't know, that's just my opinion.
I mean, I dig it. It just feels a little weird not seeing mismatched colored yellow Z in front of us. Yeah, something to get
Every
used
shade
to.
of yellow you can think of.
50 Shades of Yellow. Yeah. But it's cool, it's cool. Definitely gonna be braking next now. For the right reasons. Alright, you guys. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully, you guys do like it. And I wish I would have gotten the cut before I started vlogging today, but unfortunately, I didn't have time. We had to go up and early, but whatever. Check it out. Fresh cut. But yeah, by now, when I post this video up, he would have revealed the color. I would want him to reveal it first before I post the video. So hopefully you did enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.